Welcome back. In this video, we'll connect your first sending provider, Amazon SES. It's a popular choice for high volume at a very low cost. Let's set it up together. Quick reminder of how Email Sendx works. It doesn't send email on its own. You bring your own sending account, and Email Sendx runs the campaigns through it. That keeps your costs low and your data yours. All your sending accounts live in one place. From the sidebar, open Settings, then choose Providers. To connect a new one, click Add Provider. Just so you know, this button only appears for workspace admins. Email Sendx asks which kind of provider you're adding. We'll pick Amazon SES. First, the sender details. Give the provider a name you'll recognize, then the from email and name your recipients will see, and a reply to address. You can also upload a sender photo. That's optional. Now the SES credentials. Start with the AWS region. Pick the exact region your SES account was set up in. This has to match or sending will fail. Next, paste in your access key ID and secret access key from AWS. Treat these like passwords. Anyone with them can send on your account. These last two are optional. A configuration set and an SNS topic let SES report bounces and complaints back to Email Sendx automatically. If you have them, add them. If not, you can leave them blank for now. Under advanced options, you can cap a sending rate and a daily quota. Handy to stay within your SES limits. And we'll tick Set as Default so new campaigns use this provider automatically. Everything's in. Click Add SES. And there's your new provider card, ready to go. Let's confirm it works. Click Re-Verify to check the connection, then Send Test to fire a quick email to yourself. The card also has deliverability, quota, and suppressions buttons. We'll explore those later in this category. There's the test email. Amazon SES is connected and sending. Next up, we'll connect a generic SMTP server.